right, today we're going to bring an indoor outdoor camera. This is a perfect camera for if you want to set up your surveillance in front of your entrance where you get packages. You get instructions where to download the application. You get the actual connection. It's a USB to type micro USB. All right, type A to micro USB, and then you actually get the actual stand or the mount that you want to set up on your wall, or if you want to set it up on your table. It's just a one prong connection that connects. You could either go on the bottom connecting it or in the back of it. All right, and it has a two voice audio voice, so you could speak to whoever drops the package or anybody that's in front of the door. Now in bottom of it is where the actual system connects to. Right now you have a couple of things. You got your power, if you can see your power in there. You got your reset button and your connection here where it says the micro USB, and then you got a SD card, a micro SD card. So if you don't want to pay for the cloud services, you could actually have this record through your micro SD card. Very simple. And then this plastic goes into for water resistant. Now this is chargeable through micro USB. You could even connect a wireless connection to have a solar panel into it. All right, so this is going to require a 2.4 hertz connection for wireless, but you can actually adapt and add a solar panel to it. It's an option. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks at night and day. Set up our camera a little high up there if you guys can see it, so we're going to come back at night and to see how well it looks. All right, let's take a look at some of the features in the camera. All right, so right now you have a live view of the camera. If you do full screen, it's gonna flip horizontally. All right, so the options, you got a couple options here on the camera. You could change quality of it, of course. You could make sure you could format the actual SD card that you have. Turn on lights, you could power it off. Audio for the two-way audio, installation guide, and so forth. So motion detection, you could change it to durations higher, so it could keep up to 20 seconds in case somebody's walking there. It starts recording into it, and it's going to record 10 seconds. Detection, it's on medium right now, but you got high to low to cancel. That's pretty much what it is. Sleep mode, sleep schedule, and so forth. Motion detection is on, so anybody walks in the camera, they're gonna get detected in the camera, and so forth. So you got a lot of different locations to set up, and you could change the names. Right now we're at 37%. I haven't charged it for maybe a week almost. Close to a week. One more day, and it's gonna be a week. So the camera itself, it captures pretty much anything that walks by in the actual footage here. Even it captures my dogs all the time. So that's one thing. It doesn't detect. It detects humans and dogs. So your camera, if you have a lot of activity in the back, you might want to charge it every couple of days. So also an option is that you could set solar panels on this. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.